explore a few more questions in S and P block, 16th group, very quickly. In SF4, sulfur is SF4 is a seesaw-shaped molecule of type AB4E type, where A is central atom bonded to four groups with one lone pair on it. This makes the shape as a seesaw, and the hybridization of central atom in this case is sp3d, and that is the reason why this molecule is not SCl4 particularly is not particularly stable. It can undergo hydrolysis. SF6, where the central atom is sp3d to hybridized, is more symmetric structure and very stable. SF6, that is used as a gas phase insulator in transformers, whereas SF4 is not particularly stable due to the repulsion between the lone pair and bonded pairs. Oleum is it is a fuming sulfuric acid represented by a formula H2S2O7. It is actually having a mixture of SO3 and H2SO4. Option 228 question must be A. And 29th question, when a diluted solution of hypo is treated with silver nitrate, in fact you don't get a black precipitate immediately. It shows so many colors, like light orange color, deep orange color, something like a violet color, and finally you get a black precipitate. You try this reaction in your laboratory, and this black precipitate finally you see is Ag2S. This type of reactions are called clock reactions. And if you look at 30th question, the halogen showing maximum coordination number of sulfur in SXN. Maximum coordination number is possible with fluorine, that is SF6, which is a very stable compound. Which of the following is a monobasic acid? The peroxymonosulfuric acid, otherwise known as Caros acid, is H2SO5, and it is monobasic acid because the hydrogen is easily ionized from OH end. This has OOH end, OH end. Notice peroxymonosulfuric acid is practically monobasic acid. And 32 question, if you look at, is what is formed when chlorine is bubbled through molten sulfur? When molten sulfur is treated with chlorine, you will be getting S2Cl2. S2Cl2 is having a structure similar to H2O2. It is sulfur monochloride. When a lead storage battery is discharged, you will be studying about lead storage batteries in your electrochemistry. When it is discharged, the density of sulfuric acid drops. Actually, sulfuric acid is consumed in the reaction. You will be knowing details in your lesson called electrochemistry. The product of the chemical reaction between Na2S2O3, chlorine and water. This particular reaction is used to demonstrate what is called as chemical sunset. In this reaction, you will be getting colloidal sulfur, which will mask the source of light, and it creates an impression as if it is sunset. The products in this reaction are colloidal sulfur, HCl and Na2SO4, option B. Na2S2O3, otherwise known as hypo, is prepared by boiling a solution of NaOH with sulfur. Hypo is the only antidote for cyanide poisoning. Hypo was earlier used in photography, traditional photographic films. They can be developed and made prints after using Na2S2O3 as a fixer. And now we are looking at next question. The hybridization of sulfur in SO2, not only in SO2 but also in SO3. The sulfur is essentially sp2 hybridized. The formic acid HCOOH reacts with concentrated H2SO4 to produce carbon monoxide. It is a method to prepare carbon monoxide. And when a colorless gas is passed through bromine water, only decolorization takes place. The gas is SO2. Bromine is decolorized as SO2 brings about reduction. The acidified solution of sodium thiosulfate are unstable because in thiosulfate, in thiosulfate H2O3 2 minus ions, the sulfur is in two different oxidation states. One central sulfur is plus 6 and the terminal sulfur is minus 2. That is the reason why this particular compound is not very stable, it disproportionates. In the reaction, H2S gives 2H plus sulfide ion. When ammonium hydroxide is added, this is what actually you do in salt analysis in fourth group. When you are adding OH minus ion, H plus ions are destroyed. As one of the product is destroyed, equilibrium shifts towards right direction. As a result, the concentration of sulfide ions increase. As the concentration of sulfide ions is increasing, certain ions can get precipitated only when concentration of sulfide ions are more. The cobalt, nickel, manganese, zinc, their solubility products are really very reasonably high when compared with the cations of second group. Therefore, in order to precipitate fourth group cations, you require more sulfide ions. Therefore, they are precipitated by bubbling H2S in basic medium. Sodium thiosulfate is prepared. Sodium thiosulfate can be prepared by boiling sodium sulfate Na2S with sulfur in a acidic medium. This is another method. Na2CO3 reacts with the sulfur dioxide in alkaline medium to give Na2SO3. Okay. Next, which of the following is called sulfuric anhydride? In order to get any anhydride, you simply subtract H2O from the given molecule. So if you remove H2O from the given molecule, H2SO4, you will be getting SO3. Therefore, SO3 is the anhydride of sulfuric acid. Sir, if you have HClO4, in order to get anhydride, multiply every molecule with 2 so that HClO4 will become H2Cl2O8. From that you remove H2O. So the answer anhydride of perchloric acid is Cl2O7. Anyway, 44th question, oxalic acid when heated with concentrated H2SO4 gives. It will give a mixture of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Well, if you want only carbon monoxide, allow the mixture to pass through KOH. KOH absorbs CO2. You will be left out with CO. The compound containing coordinate covalent bond is there in all the given molecules like O3, SO3, H2, SO4. And option is D correct in that case. Which of the following is not reducing agent? Notice that the carbon dioxide cannot be reducing agent. It cannot lose any more electron. It already sacrificed 4 electrons to more electronegative oxygen. Practically, not ideally. It is not ionic compound, but technically carbon is in +4 oxidation state. It can't lose any more electrons. So it is not a reducing agent. This is a note on some additional questions. You have one more set of another 40 questions in 16th group in next video. Thank you.